Looks like the carousel, Constellation Carousel, only has a 10-minute wait. I know, am I tall enough?
I mean, if I am, I think you are.
I think we are. How are we doing, dear? So apparently they really think that this ride is going to have a massive amount of people trying to come get on it based on this queue. This is like the ultimate rat maze. I am loving this. And it looks like this is pretty much going to be a walk-on because they are now unloading the ride. Thank you, dear. Morning. And let's see, what do we want to ride today? Should we get on a bear? Or should we go all the way around and get into something a little more comfortable? Definitely very cool theming. This one's out of service. They have a Ram. I am an Aries. And these all have seat belts on them, which is pretty cool.
Welcome to the Constellation Carousel.
I think we're going to do a dragon.
And each moonship carries up to 3 riders. Please listen to your assigned seat. Watch your step and hold on as you enter onto your vehicle. Footsteps are provided on all panels to assist you with entering or exiting the seat. Once seated on your vehicle, buckle your seatbelt from left to right. If your seatbelt stops in position prior to buckling, repeat the carousel.
This is very cool. From what I heard, this ride goes a little higher than most of the other carousels, but we'll find out. It's nice to get to be able to sit down with a little back support here. It does have a seat belt to keep you locked in. And I feel a little motion. Oh, here we go. And we're going up. It's definitely different. It's like they crossed together the teacup ride by having 3 independent spinning areas, plus a couple areas that just go up and down. Definitely raises you up. Love the ceiling. Loved all the stained glass. My first ride in Epic Universe, the Constellation Carousel. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me over the music, but a very cool, gentle ride. Very curious to see what this is like at night. Probably won't be able to get on it at night, but we shall definitely see. And we have gotten to the end. Beautiful.
When the ride completely stops, unbuckle your seatbelt from right to left. Watch your step as you pass
Alrighty.
and have a great day at Celestial Park.
Thank you, brother.
Enjoy your day.
And that was very cool. We're getting flagged down as to where our exit is over here. Guess we could go either way with it.
If you're exiting towards Starbucks. Have an epic day here in Celestial Park.
Thanks, guys.
Have fun.
So that was awesome. Definitely worth the 10 minutes.